Hey man, what y'all doing standing around? Ah, yeah. Alright, we're here. The job is to put a new door there. There's no door, put another door there, and make a door here. There's no door here, there's a wall. We're gonna put a door right here and change all the screen. Look at what this guy bought right here. A brand new, I don't know what it is, toolbox? Pack out. I was trying to give him a free bag, but he wouldn't take it. I had a big bag twice the size of that. But this guy likes spending money right there. He got big money right there.
I'm rich.
Big money, look. He got. Oh, that's me. Okay, yeah.
What should I use?
Well, I'm gonna take a couple just in case. I'm going to a different job to do something. That should be good. All right, I got what I need. Let me leave the guys here. Go to a different job site. Huh? Hey, I'm back at the full screen job we did. I got like 2 little screws I gotta put in that I missed when we were here. Okay, I just had to put a little screw right there. A little missing screw that slid through past our eyes when we were down here fixing this pool cage. All right, I'm back at the other job site. You see they haven't done nothing. They can't do nothing without me here. Not one screen up yet. God. Nah, just playing. Okay, this guy got the door up. Okay. You see that baby face right there? He looks like he don't know nothing, right? He knows a little bit.
Yeah, just para allá arriba.
That's good. A ver. Así está. Let's close it. See what's going on. Perfect. Perfect. Así mero. 70? $70? This is the Milwaukee pack out. Any of you guys got one of these? Y'all like it? It looks good so far. But you pay 70 bucks. I don't know 70 if I were to pay 70. This is what I had before. This is what I used. And I got it at Goodwill. This bag right here. This bag. Look. $5 at Goodwill, $70. It holds the same stuff. That one looks nicer, but this one, $5. Hello? Hey man, you gonna finish today?
Yep.
This is his third door today. He's doing good. I've been running around. Me and Renato had left at my house for a while to do some plumbing. Got this door here now. Which I don't know why they had a wall there with no door going out to the pool here, but we had to add that door. New screen. ¿Está liqueando, man?
No,
I got the water's leaking at the house.
ya estuviera llorando.
Hey, look at his face. Look at his face. If you, just in case you don't understand Spanish, he's crying about his Dang man, that's what he's saying in Spanish. How you saying English? ¿Cómo se dicen pinzas en inglés?
Huh?
Pliers.
Pliers. Okay, he got some pliers. We did we took his pliers, and you know this guy got Milwaukee pliers. Let me show you what he got right here. He says they cost $80. I don't know about all that, but He said they cost $80. I don't know about that, but he got some Milwaukee. I think they're Milwaukee. They look like.
Ponle un taba, güey, ponle un taba. Ahí no está, güey. Te quiero poner, güey.
DEWALT in Milwaukee. He says we can't get along. DEWALT in Milwaukee. Put some in the comments. Are you a DEWALT worker? Are you a Milwaukee user? Rigid? Ryobi? Don't be ashamed. Tell us what you use. We're working on our screen mounting over here. This is where all the old screen dies and goes to the screen graveyard right here. And we also got an aluminum pile we're working on here. This is the gutter coil we're gonna put on the machine here. This is how we put it on. If anyone got any better ways to put it on, leave it in the comments, because this is how we do it. But if you got a better, easier way, let me know. We're gonna see how strong this guy is right here. He's 50 something. He's 20 something.
Nah.
So we're gonna see who's 50-year-old versus a 20-year-old. Yeah, right. I got a bad back, so I don't lift it no more. I used to lift it though. I used to lift this, but y'all see the 20-year-old just standing watching? Oh man. Backwards.
Al pasito, no corra.
You see how red his face got?
Really hot today, man.
It's hot today. All right, we got it on here. It's 300 feet. I don't know how many pounds it is, but 144 pounds. Man, y'all can't get 144 pounds up.
Yeah.
Now it's time to go put some gutters. All right, that's another day. That's another day in the bag. Today was a light day. Today was just a small little job, rescreening a couple doors. Make sure you like, you subscribe, you comment. All comments are welcome. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Until next time, I'll see you.